Did you know that Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it? Welcome to a journey through our cosmos, where we'll explore the mighty Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun, and the heavyweight champion of our solar system. This colossal planet, with its enormous size, is the torchbearer for the outer planets, and plays a significant role in shaping the solar system's landscape. Among its many distinct features, the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for centuries, stands out. But Jupiter is not alone. It is accompanied by a family of 4 large moons, known as the Galilean moons, each with its unique characteristics and mysteries. These moons add to the allure and intrigue of Jupiter, making it a fascinating subject of study. Now let's dive into the history and discovery of this gigantic planet. Jupiter has been known to astronomers since ancient times. It is one of the brightest objects in the night sky. This colossal planet has been a constant in our universe, captivating the attention of ancient civilizations. With its prominence and visibility to the naked eye, it's no surprise that it became a central figure in many mythologies and astrological systems. For the Greeks, Jupiter was Zeus, the king of the gods, while the Romans named it after their ruler deity, Jupiter. In Hindu astrology, Jupiter, or Guru, is a symbol of wisdom and enlightenment. Its constant presence and predictable trajectory provided a form of celestial clockwork, helping ancient people track time and seasons. But as fascinating as these early observations and interpretations were, they could only scratch the surface of Jupiter's mysteries. Our knowledge remained limited, tethered by the capabilities of the human eye. But it wasn't until the invention of the telescope that we began to understand Jupiter's true nature. In 1610, the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei made a groundbreaking discovery. With a rudimentary telescope, a device he didn't invent but significantly improved, Galileo turned his gaze towards the night sky and observed Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. What he saw was astonishing. Orbiting Jupiter were 4 celestial bodies which he initially believed to be stars. However, as he continued to observe these stars over several nights, he noticed something peculiar. They were moving in a way that stars do not, and their movement seemed to be in relation to Jupiter. This led to the realization that these were not stars at all, but moons, orbiting Jupiter in much the same way our moon orbits Earth. These 4 moons are now known as the Galilean moons, named in honor of their discoverer. They are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, each unique and fascinating in its own right. Ganymede, for instance, is the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than the planet Mercury. But Galileo's discovery did more than just expand our understanding of Jupiter. It also provided crucial support for the Copernican model of a heliocentric solar system. This was the idea proposed by Nicholas Copernicus that the planets, including Earth, revolve around the Sun, not the other way around. In a time when the dominant belief was geocentric, that Earth was the center of the universe, this discovery was revolutionary. The existence of moons orbiting Jupiter contradicted the idea that all celestial bodies revolved around Earth. Galileo's observations, therefore, were a key piece of evidence in shifting the scientific consensus towards a heliocentric model, forever changing our understanding of our place in the universe. Galileo's discoveries were just the beginning of our understanding of Jupiter. His pioneering work opened up a new world of exploration and discovery, setting the stage for centuries of astronomical advancements to come. Fast forward to the 20th and 21st centuries, and our knowledge of Jupiter has expanded exponentially. The 20th century marked the beginning of our cosmic exploration. Pioneer 10 and 11 were the first spacecrafts to visit Jupiter in the early 70s. These pioneers, living up to their names, gave us our first close-up views of the gas giant and its major moons. They also discovered Jupiter's intense magnetic field and radiation belts, which are harsher than anything we have here on Earth. Then came the Voyagers. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, launched in the late 70s, offered a more detailed look at Jupiter. They provided us with stunning images and valuable data, revealing the intricate structure and variability of Jupiter's rings and the presence of volcanic activity on one of its moons. Io moving into the 21st century, the Galileo spacecraft spent 8 years in orbit around Jupiter, studying its atmosphere and magnetic field in depth. It discovered evidence of a possible ocean beneath the icy surface of the moon Europa, sparking new interest in the search for extraterrestrial life. Most recently, the Juno spacecraft, which has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016, is peeling back the planet's outer layers. Juno is helping scientists understand the planet's origins, structure, atmosphere, and magnetosphere. Its findings suggest that Jupiter's core might be fuzzy, and its powerful storms are more complex than we thought. Each spacecraft that has visited Jupiter has left its own legacy. They've allowed us to witness firsthand the stunning beauty and staggering complexity of the largest planet in our solar system. They've revealed a world with intense radiation, complex weather systems, an intricate ring system, and a diverse family of moons, each with its own unique geology. But perhaps most importantly, these missions have shown us that there is still so much more to learn about this colossal planet. As we continue to study Jupiter, we can only imagine what incredible discoveries await us in the future. Each mission to Jupiter has brought us closer to understanding this colossal planet. Launched in 2011, NASA's Juno spacecraft is the latest explorer studying Jupiter. This sophisticated piece of machinery embarked on a journey of over 500 million miles to investigate the largest planet in our solar system. Juno's mission is multifaceted. It aims to understand the origin and evolution of Jupiter, peek beneath its dense cloud cover, and study its auroras. The findings of the Juno mission are not just about understanding Jupiter better, they also provide clues about the fundamental processes and conditions that governed our solar system during its formation. One of the key objectives of the Juno mission is to determine how much water is in Jupiter's atmosphere. Water is a critical ingredient for understanding the planet's origin story. Juno's probing into the atmosphere has also helped scientists understand the composition, temperature, cloud motions and other properties of this gas giant. The spacecraft's exploration of Jupiter's magnetic field has revealed surprising information. Jupiter's magnetic field is extraordinarily large and powerful, and Juno's readings have helped scientists learn more about its structure, its intense radiation belts, and the swirling storm of electrically charged particles trapped within the magnetic field. Juno's journey has also given us a front-row seat to the planet's structure, including its core. The spacecraft's observations suggest that Jupiter's core may be fuzzy, diluting into its mantle, a discovery that challenges our understanding of gas giant planets. But Juno's mission isn't just about gathering data. It's also about capturing stunning visuals. The mesmerizing images sent back by Juno have given us an unprecedented look at Jupiter's polar regions, capturing swirling storms and vibrant cloud patterns in exquisite detail. Juno's ongoing mission continues to reveal new insights about Jupiter. Every flyby, every image, and every data transmission brings us one step closer to understanding this colossal planet and its place in the cosmos. The journey of discovery is far from over, and with Juno we continue to pierce the veils of Jupiter's mysteries. From ancient observations to modern spacecraft, our knowledge of Jupiter has come a long way. We've journeyed through time and space in this exploration, gaining insights into the colossal planet that is Jupiter. We began with the discovery of Jupiter, an event that dates back to antiquity, when our ancestors first looked up at the night sky. The ancient Romans named it after the king of their gods and the sky, a testament to its dominating presence in our solar system. Then, we dived into the groundbreaking revelations of Galileo Galilei. His observations in the 17th century set the stage for our understanding of the solar system and the universe at large. Through his telescope, Galileo discovered Jupiter's 4 largest moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, now fittingly known as the Galilean moons. Our journey continued with modern observations and discoveries. We've seen Jupiter through the eyes of powerful Earth-based telescopes and spacecraft that have flown past, orbited, and even crashed into the planet. These missions have given us a glimpse of Jupiter's stormy atmosphere, its complex magnetic field, and its multitude of moons, each a unique world in its own right. Most recently, we've been following the Juno mission, an ambitious endeavor that is peeling back the layers of Jupiter's cloud-covered mysteries. Juno's findings have been nothing short of revolutionary, revealing a dynamic world with cyclones the size of Earth and a core that is fuzzier than previously thought. These explorations of Jupiter are not just about understanding one planet, they're about piecing together the story of our solar system. Jupiter's size, composition, and position have influenced the formation and evolution of other planets, including our own. The more we learn about Jupiter, the more we understand about where we come from and where we might be headed. As we continue to explore Jupiter and the rest of the cosmos, who knows what new discoveries await us? So, keep looking up, keep questioning, and remember, the universe is a grand book, and we've only just turned the first few pages.